Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer website hosting from Bluehost, full guide step by step clearly. Start by backing up your website data from Bluehost. Log into your Bluehost account. Navigate to the File Manager section. Download all your website files to your local computer. Next, export your database through phpMyAdmin. Access the phpMyAdmin tool from your Bluehost control panel. Select your database and click on the Export tab. Choose the Quick Export method and save the file. Once you have your files and database, log into your new hosting provider's account. Upload your website files to the new hosting account through their file manager. Now, import the database into your new hosting account. Access the phpMyAdmin tool on the new host. Create a new database and a new database user. Assign the user to the database with all privileges. Select your new database and click on the Import tab. Upload the database file you exported from Bluehost. Next, update the database connection details in your website files. Locate the wp-config.php file if you are using WordPress. Edit the file to reflect your new database name, user, and password. After updating the files, you need to point your domain to the new host. Access your domain registrar's website. Update the DNS settings with the name servers provided by your new hosting provider. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Once the DNS changes have propagated, visit your website to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, if everything is functioning as intended, you can cancel your Bluehost account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.